I am just picked up the Ring Floodlight Cam. This one is the Pro version. It's the $250 one over at Home Depot. The Ring Floodlight Cam 3D motion detection. So this one was $250 over at Home Depot. Let's check it out and see how it works. All right, so one of those things they never tell you. You got a black wire, you got a white wire, and you've got this just copper wire. Copper also apparently means green, so they don't code it that way in the house. So when you get your new floodlight, it's going to have a black, a white, and a green. So the green is actually going to be the ground wire. So that's the tricky part. You got to make sure that the green is the grounding wire. Let me get that and double check the instructions on this one. But this one's the Pro. It's got some extra motion sensing thing. It's got the little hook here too. Alright, so this piece will be facing outward, and it's got a little hook to clip this on here. So it even says front on it. Which piece goes out front? They worked on the back, so they should work over here.
Okay, dear, let it go. Let it go, dear. Let it go. Let it go. Are you what?
Okay, this is going to be long enough. This one I might have to get a longer screw for. It's going to be perfect. Alright, that is it nice and tight. This thing actually mounts like this. It's the cheaper, the non-pro version of this that I have on the back in the backyard, and it's working so well. I decided I got to go with another one of these guys. Okay, let's go with the hot one first. Black wire, hot wire. Let's get that one connected here first. I've cut the power to this area, but just in case, I want to make sure I get the hot wire connected first before I start messing with all the others. Okay, black hot connected. The green's going to be kind of weird to connect because this copper ground wire here is just real thick, and it's not a normal wire that I'm used to dealing with. Don't lose your instructions for this. The instructions are what you're going to need to connect the app to connect to. If you can't connect this to your Wi-Fi and to the app on your phone, then it's essentially useless. So don't lose your instructions.
Hi guys, how are we doing today?
Good. How are you doing?
Doing good. You want this on the porch or with you guys?
Oh, you just leave it with us. That's fine.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much.
Have a good day today. Enjoy your weekend.
Thanks. You too. White wire neutral. Okay. Neutral is connected. Wearing some thick rubber gloves when I'm doing this just to make sure. Okay, so now what I've got is these guys. I got to tuck these in. Let's see if I can get them tucked back. Not an electrician. Just pretend to be one. I'm gonna flip up these lights to get them up out of the way. If I've got enough room to get this in. Got it. We're in business. Well, we're not in business yet, but I got to connect those. I believe it's held on just by a little plastic piece here, which is probably why they give you just this little hex head, plastic hex head to put it on. They don't want you to use a wrench to tighten it on too much. Snug, I might put some caulking around there. Notice the landlord always puts caulking around these so the water doesn't get behind there, filled with spider webs and other stuff. And the final thing I have to do is turn this upside down. This is facing the wrong way. It was freezing earlier today. Even had the heater on. Now I'm roasting.
Dear, you're okay. You're okay, dear. You're okay. You're okay. Hang on. We will. We will.
So I had to loosen that metal bracket around here so that I could get this turned around and face the correct direction it's supposed to be. This piece is supposed to be down. This is your camera right here. Camera motion sensor.
It's the process. It's the process. You know that. You know that. Shake it off, dear. Shake it off.
All right, now I got to figure out where's the best place to point this camera at. It's pretty wide angle, but I think we're going to point it this direction so it sees most of the driveway. Alright, so this is the Pro version. Cost $50 more for this one, and the only reason I got the Pro version was because the other one was sold out, the cheaper, the $200 one. So, I think we have let's take off the protective film here. Protective film off. Every time I install one of these Ring motion sensor cameras, I end up with all this extra hardware here. So they've got a lot of hardware there, and I'm not sure. I think that's just to make sure you're covered with all the hardware you may need, and you end up with this little extra hex wrench and screwdriver device too. Just remember, don't throw away when you open the box, and if you have trouble installing it, don't throw away these guys. If you throw away these guys, you're in trouble. So don't throw those away. That's important to keep those for the connecting it to your Wi-Fi and to your phone part. All right, power is on.
Oh, it is very much on.
Whoa, look at that thing.
Well, hi, Ring.
Wow, that's bright. Sun's not even down and it's already... So just turning the power on and it lights up like that. Jeez. So she is scanning the QR code with her phone. She's got the Ring app already installed. She's using it with another camera on the back side of the house. Whoa, just went dead.
Did you get the film off?
Film is off.
Okay. I have removed the protective film.
Remove protective film.
Has your floodlight cam? Yes, it's been installed. Flashing. Yes.
I can't understand what you're saying.
Sorry, it just said, is the camera light indicator flashing? Yes. Light is flashing. Got it.
Dancing helps connect
The Wi-Fi.
the Wi-Fi.
Yes, absolutely, 100%.
Now connected to the Ring app.
Oh my gosh, really? That was so quick.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Just a
Whoa.
moment.
So like once you already have one done, doing more does not take very often. Does not
It's
take
quicker, huh?
Yeah, it's a lot quicker.
Yeah,
so-
the other one wasn't this quick.
Yeah. But once you have one connected, it's easier to do the rest of them. So it's still connecting. Maybe grab a coffee. I can't grab a coffee. I'm
Setup
outside.
successful.
Well, that's lovely. Thank you. Continue. Continue.
Continue, 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 and continue. Lots of continuing.
Yeah.
This one is the more expensive one. Instead of the $200 one, it's the $250 one, so it might have some extra features.
Okay, so come here, and this is what our camera is looking like. I'm gonna tap to go live. Okay, so this is the spread that we're getting with the camera. Do you like that? Spread. Like where it's pointed and stuff.
Is that where you wanted it pointed? It looks like it's covering everything.
I wanted it pointed, yeah, this way.
It looks like I need to turn it a little bit more out that way.
No, uh-uh.
Because it's...
No, because look, we've got Grandma and Grandpa's house right there in their front door. Your car right there, the whole street,
The whole driveway.
the whole driveway, and then we also have a camera on the door, so we have another angle right there. So,
Oh, okay.
that looks good.
Okay, so you like the angle it's at?
Yeah, I like the
You like where the lights are at too?
Yeah, I like where the lights are
adjust
at
those.
and everything looks good, so yeah, that looks good. So let's go ahead and lights on. You like how that looks?
It's
It is
bright.
It is getting the whole spot here. Yeah, we're even getting a part of Senior Bruce's yard, so yeah,
Okay.
I think that looks good.
All right, let's go with it.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess we can always adjust those lights later on after night to fall and we see where they're
Yeah,
shining.
we see where they're like shining and stuff. We can do that.
So having the Ring app all set up on your phone, having that QR code. Without the QR code, you couldn't do it. Like if we had lost the instructions.
Yeah, if you lose these instructions, you're kind of
Yeah, you cannot lose those
don't
instructions.
lose those.
So if it takes you a while to get this thing installed, don't lose the instructions. Keep those with it.
That's kind of cool though. Like that's neat. So we're good.
All right,
That's it. That's we're all set.
we're in business.
All done.
All right. Anything else to say to add up to our video about the Ring install? Okay.
It was just that was easy.
It's pretty easy.
Once
Yeah.
you have the little thingies, it's super easy.
Yeah. So it's actually not too bad at all. Yeah.
No.
And so it looks like it just has a bigger light bulb on it. The Ring itself is still the same. So this is the one we have on the back of the house, protecting the back side of the house. And yeah, this is our backyard is wide open here, if you can see any of that. And so that's why we have this out here. Okay. Thanks for watching.